Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary. I am here with my Allure beauty box. This is one box that is going to stay probably infinitum forever. I do have a full year subscription I got for my birthday last year. That does end right around my birthday, which is December, and I will probably re-up this because this box has been amazing. There's a full-size item in every box. Could it be April? I'll have to look it up. I'll have to look it up, and I'll put down below here what month this is for. I have other unboxings coming. I have been a little slow with my box unboxings, and the only reason I'm showing them to you, if you don't like that, just go away from here and look at something else. But the only reason I bring them to you is because sometimes I get something different, and also with Birchbox and Ipsy, I always get something different. So every person that you watch is valuable to watch for Ipsy and Birchbox because we differ so much. The Allure box, occasionally I get a little something different, but not usually. And so this, I believe, is the April box. I think the May box will probably arrive soon. I could have done a 2-box unboxing. I don't know what I'm doing, but the reason I am doing this today is because my room is overrun with boxes, and you can see it back there. It's a little overrun, so I do want to take care of this. So anyway, this is what was in the top. So anyway, this is what's in here. This is the full-size item, which is a nude stick, which is a color that I really like. And I'll go over all these items in here. There are 6 items in the box, so I'm not upset as a lot of people were over the sample thing that we got, and I'll show you the sample. This is more a function of how much was the company that gave this to Allure, how much they were willing to part with their product, and so I can't blame Allure for this, and I will use this. This is a makeup eraser sample, quote unquote. It's a small square of the makeup eraser material. I have a small makeup eraser, mini size, and I use it all the time to take my makeup off. Okay, so anyway, it's really, is that it? Yeah, this is why people were upset. That's it. That's it. That's it. I'll use this to use one side to take off. I use these things to take off makeup and they usually wash. The edges are pretty, they don't look finished, but it doesn't look like the kind of fabric that's going to fray in the wash. It's a little thicker than my other makeup eraser because it's veloury, fluffy on both sides. But I definitely will use this. I have no problem with I would like it to be bigger, of course. But I'll use this little tiny one, and Allure customers get a 25% off. I found similar wipes at Walmart for $2, and they come in well, maybe it was $3. They come in a 3-pack, and honestly, I use I'll take one out. They're oblong. I'll go get one. Be right back. Well, I brought 2 things to show you. One thing is, this is the makeup eraser quote sample that we got in another box, and this I think is a nice size. I use this to take my eye makeup off. Say I don't have foundation on like I do today. I'll use something small like this and just take my eye makeup off, and if there's a clean spot on it where I haven't put makeup remover or anything, then I'll use an end of it to do my toner, which is a moisturizing toner. I always use toner just in case there's a little bit of soap left behind, but I like this. And this has been through the wash several times. This is slightly less plush than this sample is, but I assume that this sample will lose some of its plushness after it's washed a dozen times like this has been. So this is the normal size sample. The big one is bigger, and I think it's probably the size of this, which I got from Walmart. And this is basically a long microfiber washcloth. This side is great for taking stuff off with, you know, like taking off your eye makeup and not tugging, and taking off your full face makeup. I soak this really well and I squeeze it out, not just with my hands but also inside a towel, kind of like what you do with a beauty blender. And then I'll put eye makeup remover on one end, do the eye, maybe move down a little, do the other eye. Take this damp and wipe the entire face. So I'm not really using makeup wipes anymore, because I find that these things are, this is from Walmart. Honestly, it's from the actual supermarket. I ordered it as part of my Walmart grocery pickup, and I'm going to order some more of them. I had ordered 2 packs, one for my daughter, one for me. So anyway, back to the box. I'm not that upset over this. I will use it. Some people were like really furious over it. I'll still use it as a makeup remover, because I actually bought a whole bunch of Molly's Monsters, I think they're called, and they're like a substitute for a cotton wipe, which is what I would use this as. Like that way you're not using a bunch of cotton and throwing a lot of garbage away. You know, I'm one of those crazy people who recycles everything and hates to throw anything away. Okay, so this is not a terrible thing. It's item number 6, and so I just can't get that upset over it. Okay, I'm going to save the favorite 2 things for last. Other stuff that came in this box are these Rua shampoo and conditioner. Rua Classic Shampoo and Conditioner, Pure Healthy Lustrous Hair, Rainforest Grown. So I think this is one of those sustainably sourced things, but these tubes are full. The light is shining in through these, and honestly they're full all the way to the top. So I'll probably get 2 or 3 shampoos and conditions out of this and enjoy it quite a bit. Oh, there are 3 things left. That's right, I forgot. There's one more thing in here that is actually a makeup primer, and that is Stellar. Now, this is a small tube that looks to be full all the way to the top. I'm not going to open it just because your products start to go bad after you've opened them. So I'll open this the first time I use it. I think it's an illuminating primer. I will read it to you. But honestly, I know from experience, having tiny, smaller than this, samples of the Smashbox primer, that they last forever. So this size will last me a long time. So let me read what this is to you. And this is Stellar Monica Diol, I guess is the name of the person, and it is called Brilliant Primer Base Tint. So I think it's got a little bit of like color to it, so yeah, pretty cool. I'll enjoy trying that. Next thing, and this is probably my favorite thing in here. Yeah, I think it's my favorite thing. And that is this Korres Pomegranate Balancing Cream Gel Moisturizer. It's for oily and combination skin. And I just have normal skin. I'm not oily, I'm not dry, I'm just like right there in the middle, comfortably normal skin. So I think I'll be able to use this. I really tend to like gel type moisturizers because they're easier to apply, and it's easy to get a whole big coat on. Now, that having been said, I never put just one layer of stuff on my face. So yeah, this does not have to be like super hydrating for me to like it. Okay, and the next thing, and I did take the plastic off of this, and I did it ahead of time, and that is, this has a name on it. J Mama. J Mama. J Mama. Anyway, this is Nude Sticks. You can't see the Nude Sticks does a black on black design, so you can see it with the naked eye, but I don't think it really shows up well on camera. But anyway, this is a lip and cheek pencil. So now I'm having a dermatitis thing just started cropping up again. God damn it, I had it conquered. So the backs of my hands don't look so hot. Where can I put this where you're not like, holy crap, her hand's so red? I'll put cream on tonight and hopefully that'll die, but it's really, see what I'm dealing with here? It went away and I used something or cleaned something and got it right back again. God damn it. Sorry for those of you who prefer not to hear someone say those words. Anyway, this is a perfect color. Like, it's right up my alley. I'm gonna put it on this side of my hand where there's no, oh God, where there's no rash, and there, right there is the color. It's so similar to what I have on, which is wearing off now. Let's just put it on. Yeah, it's so similar that it's just blending right in. I know nude sticks tend to last, and so, yeah, I already have face makeup on, so I'm not going to do the cheek thing, but I would be more likely to use this for my lips anyway. Another nude stick that I got in the recent past is this concealer stick, and I just love it. I really love it. So anyway, to me, this, in my mind, this is actually a really good box. These are the main 5 items, and this as a 6th item doesn't kill me. It you know, I'd like it to be bigger, but it's not a deal breaker for me. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That does help me. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, very, very, very soon. So you'll want to be subscribed for that. And thank you very much for watching, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.